So whenever you're giving a forex signal, it's going to be in this form that I highlighted right here. The first line, Euro USD, that is EUR USD, it stands for Euro USD. So I'm just gonna like type it out in full. Euro USD. This simply means the value of the euro, right, to the US dollar. So it just simply means when you divide euro USD, right, euro versus USD is so that's just it. So now when they say buy, they are going to give you a value 1.1844. You can see, if you notice something, most of these values all here, they seem similar. They just give you an estimate of the current value of Euro USD. You might ask yourself, what are these values? What is 1.186? I'll show you in just a moment what that value stands for. So I'm on my browser. I'm going to explain to you the value. It simply means how many how many euro makes 1 USD. So you can see 1 euro equals 1.8 United States dollars. So that is the value, right? That means if you divide euro divided by USD, you're going to get 1.18. Now the remaining things, of course, they are so of course the remaining the other ones are just the decimal points. They are called pips. You learn them when you learn forex trading in full. The remaining two decimal points, 6494, they are the remaining decimal points. They make up pips. They are called pips. Even this thing 1.8 is also called pips. You learn all these during, but for the sake of simplification for you who are new to forex trading, 1.18 something just simply is the value when you divide the euro by the USD. So 1 euro gives you 1.1864 USD or thereabout, right? So let's say you think that the value of euro is going to rise, right? So if let's say the signal provider thinks the value is going to rise, he's going to tell you to take a buy order. As you can see from here, here it says buy. So whenever you're giving a buy order, just take note here is a buy signal. And if the value of the euro is going to fall, the signal provider is going to give you a sell signal. So I'm going to teach you how to take a buy and a sell signal, and how to insert your take profit and stop loss. As you can see here, TP, like I explained, it means take profit, right? TP means take profit. I'm just going to write it down here. I'm just going to put the legend. TP it means take profit, right? So the signal provider might write it in full, might write it in the abbreviation, so that you know what it means. It means stop loss. So obviously the forex market has its risks. There might be times when you have your profit, there might be times when you have your loss. Every signal should come with a take profit and stop loss. Sometimes you see it has only one take profit, sometimes it might have two take profits, it might have three take profits. So depending on how the signal is. So right now you can see this signal has three take profits, and there's just only one stop loss at all times. So let's go to our MT4 and see how we can take this exact signal, this euro USD. Now the signal says buy at this particular value, right? This particular price. I'm going to call this the price of euro USD. This is where you buy. Sometimes they might not give you a price. They will just say buy at current market price. It means that you should take this buy order at current market price. Most signals are going to be at, let's say, current market price. So they might not give you a value give you the listing buy at current market price or thereabout, right? So but they'll give you the take profits, they'll give you the stop loss. I'm going to teach you how to take orders at both current market price and at both when they give you a particular value to buy the real USD. So they are called limit orders, right? So let's go to our MT4. Now I want you to remember that when you download your MT4 and you open it for the first time, it's going to look something like this. So obviously you want to log into your trading account, either your demo or your live account. You want to log in. So how do you do that? Now you're going to see a plus sign at the top here. So it's going to, when you click and hold it, you see down below it says add account. So that is where you log in. And remember, I told you to take note of the server, the login details like the login ID and the password itself you created. So once you click on login to an existing account at all times, right? So the Xness, once you go back to your Xness account, you're going to see like now these are my details. This is the demo account I opened, right? So this is the login. You can see the login ID, and that is the server Xness trial 2. These are some of the details, and so that's it. So I'm just it's going to ask you to find a broker. So I'm going to search for Xness. Now you can see there are several Xness. So I'm going to look for that particular server trial 2, right? I'm going to paste the login number I copied, and I'm going to insert my password. So I've inserted my password. I'm just going to click on save password, and I'm going to click on sign in. So you just wait a little, and you can see it is signed in. So once you're signed in now, you want to take your first signal. Sorry, you click on this icon below, icon to the extreme left below. You're going to see some you're going to see the currency pair. Obviously Euro USD is what you want to take, so you're going to click on new order, right? If the currency pair is not here, all you need to do is just click on the plus icon, click on Forex group, and you can see once you click on AUDJPY, it's going to be added. So that is how to add symbols. That is how to add symbols. You can see the AUDJPY has been added here. So you want to take a new Forex signal, you click and hold it, you click on new order, right? So this is called lot size. Lot size just simply means the amount of money or the leverage you want to use to take a particular order, right? So market execution means you want to take the order at the current market price. Remember I told you about current market price? So most signals are going to be like that. A lot of signals are going to be like that. So here is simply the take profit. This place is simply the value of your take profit, while here is simply the value of your stop loss. So what you just need to do is copy and paste the signal, right? The take profit and the stop loss. So as you can see, the take profit is, you don't need to use all the take profit. You can just use one take profit and one stop loss. That is enough. You want to use the third, you can only use one take profit, right? So you can choose in between any of the three take profits, and just one take profit, one stop loss, enter one take profit value. So I'm going to just take the first take profit value, which is 1.1864. So I'm just going to go back to this and type 1.1864, and stop loss is 1.1750. 1.1750. So that's it. Remember, it's a buy order, right? So remember, it's a buy order. As you can see, sorry, I must have deleted that. If it's a buy order, it will be stated. If it's a sell order, it will be stated. So if it's a buy order, you click on, you can see there are two buttons below. There's sell here and there's buy here down below. So you just, once you've entered your take profit, you've entered your stop loss, you've entered your lot size. Lot size simply means, okay, do you want to use 10 naira? The higher the amount of money, the higher amount of money you use in buying a particular product or commodity, the higher the amount of profit you'll be getting in return. So when you adjust your lot size, for a beginner, you always want to stick to 0.01 lot size. Very soon, as you learn your forex trading, you're going to know what lot size is suitable for what amount of capital or equity you are trading with. But if you are trading with anything, as a rule of thumb, you're trading with anything from $100 to $500 account, you only want to stick with 0.01 lot size, right? So I'm just going to click on buy the market. So once you click on buy the market, you can see the order has been opened. So this is the order, right? If it's on profits, it's going to show blue, but right now it's on loss. That's why I'm seeing negative 10. Right now you can see it's already on profits. The order is already on profits, right? So I'm making that 7 cents, 12 cents already, 15 cents already. So this is how you print money in the forex market. You just take orders, and as you make money by taking signals, that's it. So you can also take a sell order, right? So they might give you a signal of USD JPY. They'll give you the value of the take profits, the stop loss. All you have to do is to insert the value of the take profit here, insert the value of the stop loss. If it's instant market execution, if they say buy at current market price, it simply means you should buy it using market execution order. So the remaining orders, buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, and sell stop, they are limit orders. You want to buy at a particular price, so I'll explain all that in a moment. So in this second example, we're going to be taking an order USD JPY. USD JPY is USD Japanese yen. So you're going to be learning most of these abbreviations as time goes on. So you're giving a signal to sell USD JPY, and they say you sell at 109.34. So they want to sell at that price. They don't want to sell at market execution, at the current market price. So how do you take this order? Right, so you just go to USD JPY. Right, so this is another way, apart from just clicking and holding to take a new order, right? Apart from that, you can just simply open the chart, and you see this icon at the top right hand corner. You click on it, and it's simply going to open a new order for you, right? So so you want to buy, let's say you want to sell. So it's either between this sell limit or sell stop. I think it's usually sell limit. Sell limit is when the order is above the price at which you want to sell. So I'm going to give you an example. The current price now, you can see it's I think this blue or red, you can take it as any of the prices, the current price. So it's around 109.86. That's the current price. If I'm not mistaken, 109.398. That's the current price. So you want to sell this order, right? You want to sell this order. I think the current price is actually 109.389. So you want to sell this order. How do you sell the order? The signal says you should sell at this price, 109.34. So I'm just going to insert this, right? 0.34. Okay, I think sell stop is sell stop is when the current price is above. So obviously 109.38 is higher than 109.34. So whenever the price is higher than the price at which the signal provider wants you to sell, whenever the current price is higher than the price at which the signal provider wants you to sell that particular commodity, such as USD JPY, you take a sell stop order. But if the price is lower, you take a sell limit order. So right now we're taking a sell stop order because the price is higher than the price at which we're in the signal. So what you just need to do is just to insert the take profit and stop loss. Take profit 109.32. 109.32. Stop loss 109.36. The price has moved up significantly, so I will have to increase my stop loss to let's say 4. So 109.44, still not enough. Still not enough. Still not enough. So let's say 110 points. Maybe problem is from here. 109.1. All right. So yeah. So the signal might also, it can also be like this 109.11. This is just an example, right? Yes, no. It's just for the sake of the example. 0.60. Just for the sake of the example, I have to modify this order. So yeah, so I've modified the take profit so I can place the order. So right, so the order should be placeable at all times. So it wasn't allowing me to place the order because maybe the price between the take profit and the stop loss was too close to the price at which I'm selling. So right now I've inserted my take profit, I've inserted my stop loss, I've inserted the price. Sell stop price is higher than the price at which I'm selling commodity. So I'm going to click on place order, right? So you can see the sell stop order has not been executed because I'm waiting for a particular price to buy this particular order. So when the price hits that particular, when the commodity hits that particular price, it's going to take a sell order from me and it's going to look something like this. So right now I'm just going to show you how the order looks like on the chart. As you can see, there's a sell stop order. I'm just going to zoom out a little bit. You can see, right? So that is the stop loss, right? And this is take profit down here. For my Euro USD order, you can see my stop loss is below and my take profit is up because it's a buy order. You believe that the commodity is going to go higher in price. So I'm just going to show you how to take a buy limit order, right? So let's say this was reversed. Let's say this was reversed. Take profit is 101.60. Stop loss 109.1. Let's keep the price at that same level, right? Let's keep the price at that same level. So this is it, and they're going to tell you if they usually tell you if it's a sell limit or a buy limit. Buy limits. So I'm just going to so we are back on track. So still taking an order for Euro USD. Let me just, so if you want to delete an order, you click and hold. You can modify the order, you can modify the take profit and modify this the lot size. I forgot to mention that. So once you click and hold, you can see the chart. You can modify the order, you can completely delete the order if you don't like the order. So I'm just going to delete this USD JPY and take a new order. So taking a new order right now. So I want to take a buy order, but I don't want to take it at instant market execution. So how do I take this order? I'm just simply going to use a buy limit order. It's like the opposite of a sell limit order, right? So you just play around, you get used to how the order works. So buy limit 109.34. If it's a good signal provider, it's always going to tell you if it's a buy limit or a buy stop order. 109.34. right? So the take profit was what? 110.60, and the stop loss was 109.20, right? So a buy limit order is simply an order when the price is above, right? When the price is above the price at which you want to buy. Why? If it was a buy stop order, the price would be below, right? So right now the price is above. You can see the current price at 109.42, and the price at which you want to buy is 109.34. It's right here. This is the price at which you want to buy. So you can see the current price, it's above, right? So it's above. You use a buy limit order. But if the price was below, maybe like the price was 109.24, right? You're going to use this order, buy stop, right? So you can't use buy stop. You can see it's not letting me place the order because the current price is above the price at which we want to buy. So we're going to use a buy limit order, and we're going to place that trade. So when the price hits this 109.34, right? So when the price hits it, this order is going to be executed and it's going to be running just like this one at the top. So that is how to take Forex signals, right? So you can practice more, right, with free Forex signals and get a feel of things, see how it is, play around your MT4. So these are to take orders. So that is just simply how to navigate. So these are where you see your commodities to place your orders. This is the Forex chart. You're going to learn more about Forex chart, Forex analysis as time goes on. And if you click here, you're going to see all your orders. You're going to see the profits you've made or the losses you've made, right? So here is simply news and other forecasts. You learn how to use all that as time goes on. So that is it for this video, and see you in the next.